Nowadays, people don't really care about having a clean study place. Personally, even I didn't really care about it. As I started getting older, I started realizing the importance of a clean study space. The value of having an efficient desk setup started becoming more apparent. I needed a study place where I can get in the zone, work efficiently, and concentrate for more longer time. It's not always easy to be focused as our environment makes it really hard to be focused as it is filled with constant distractions like social media drawing us back to our devices, or it could be YouTube, Netflix, or video games. It's all just a click away. Procrastination seems to get better of us even though we know we should be studying. By creating a workspace that encourages you to be productive, I believe that you can get your work done and also have some time to be free. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Khushi and I study in 11th grade. As you already know, in this video I'll be sharing how to create a productive workspace. With many of us now studying and working from home, it's become really difficult to be focused because there's no one to hold us accountable. It is up to us to make efficient use of our time. And I think setting up your desk is the first thing that you should be doing. Be comfortable. So the first thing to do to be comfortable in it is to make sure that you have a clean study space. If there is some dust or coffee stains, clean them up. I think if your desk or your environment is clean, you'll be able to think more clearly and be more focused. It is very important to use natural lighting, so you can keep your desk as close to the window. If that's not possible, you can get a desk lamp. To make your study session more comfortable, you need to get a good chair. This is what you'll be sitting for plenty of hours, and if it's not comfortable, you will end up having neck pains or lower back pains, and definitely not going to enjoy sitting there. I suggest you to have a chair which has a lower back support, which ensures you to have a good posture. I would suggest you to get a standing desk which allows you to stand and study and which gets your blood flowing and is also really good for your health. I don't have one, but if I had to upgrade, I would definitely get that one. Make it easy. You need to create an environment where its sole purpose is to study, to get our work done. In that way, your brain will be conditioned to going to that environment and then being focused. And to help you with that, you need to remove all your distractions by turning off your phone or keeping your phone in silent, or also putting your phone out of your sight. I find the Pomodoro technique very useful and effective. In this method, I can study continuously for 50 minutes and then take a break of 5 to 10 minutes in where I can check my notifications and take a break. You also need to choose a study place which is quiet. The noise around you is just one of the distractions which you need to get rid of. I personally am never able to focus in my house because of the constant distractions and the background noise. That is why I often go to the library and study. I'm able to concentrate more as it's very quiet over there and all around me people are studying and being productive. Even if I get distracted, I look around at those people who are being productive and then I feel guilty and get back to studying. Making it easy also means having all your study items just next to you, as you don't want to keep getting up from your study place and breaking that concentration. Keep your water bottle and snacks ready. Have your pen and pencils all there. This also saves your time and makes it more easy. Make it yours. You need to make your study place pleasant to be in. You should make it in such a way that it gives you the vibe to get your work done. Decorate it however you want to make it unique, different, and fun. I am someone who keeps their things very clean and organized, but I also like to keep some other things like plants and my whiteboard which I use for to-do lists. I also like to have everything around me. That is why books and my notes are kept right below my desk so it is easily accessible. And another thing which you need to think about is where to study. Everyone's different, and if you don't prefer having a fixed location and instead like moving around the house and being flexible, then do that instead. It's all about finding a system that fills your workspace. I believe that your environment shapes you, as it is one of the strongest devices to get you working even when the internal motivation is low. So when it comes to studying, making your environment comfortable, making it yours, making it easy, there are some things that will boost your productivity and make you efficient and will help you incorporate good habits. Because the extra time that we save by working hard in our desk also means extra time to be fun and enjoy the things that you like to do. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more content in the future. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye.